a safety net you weave yourself. Emergency preparedness for seniors living alone is crucial for maintaining independence and peace of mind. Living alone offers independence and freedom, especially in older age. It allows seniors to enjoy their hobbies, like gardening, hiking, or simply savoring a quiet cup of tea at home. But it also requires a heightened sense of responsibility, particularly when it comes to safety. Simple daily tasks like locking doors, checking the stove, and setting up emergency contacts become even more important. Emergencies, from falls to sudden illnesses, can happen to anyone. These incidents can be particularly challenging for seniors living alone, as immediate help may not be available. But for seniors living alone, the consequences can be more severe if help is not readily available. Ensuring that help can be summoned quickly is vital. The first line of defense is always preparedness. Organizing an emergency kit, reviewing emergency plans, and discussing preparedness with loved ones can make a significant difference. Keep your phone within reach at all times, even when moving around the house. This simple habit can be a lifesaver in an emergency. Consider investing in a medical alert system with a wearable button for emergencies. These devices are designed to provide immediate assistance at the press of a button. This allows you to call for help even if you're unable to reach a phone. It's a crucial tool for maintaining safety and independence. Share a spare key with a trusted neighbor or friend. This ensures that someone can access your home quickly in case of an emergency. Having a trusted person nearby can provide an added layer of security. A lockbox with a code can also be a secure way to provide access. This method allows emergency responders to enter your home without delay. Inform your local fire department about any health conditions you have. This information helps them respond more effectively in case of an emergency. Clear communication with emergency services can save precious time. Remember, preparing for emergencies is not about living in fear. It's about being ready and ensuring that you can handle unexpected situations with confidence. It's about taking practical steps to ensure your well-being and maintain your independence. Feeling secure and prepared allows you to live your life to the fullest. By being proactive, you create a safety net that provides peace of mind and allows you to enjoy the freedom of living alone. Embrace the independence while knowing you're prepared for any situation. The quiet echo of loneliness, building connections in the golden years. Living alone doesn't have to mean living in isolation. Loneliness is a common experience, especially as we age and our social circles change. Retirement, relocation, or the loss of loved ones can leave us feeling disconnected. But there are many ways to combat loneliness and foster meaningful connections. Consider adopting a pet. Pets offer companionship, unconditional love, and a reason to stay active. Even a small pet like a cat or bird can bring joy and reduce feelings of isolation. Seek out social activities that align with your interests. Join a book club, take a cooking class, or volunteer at a local charity. These activities provide opportunities to meet like-minded individuals and build new friendships. Stay connected with loved ones, even if they live far away. Regular phone calls, video chats, or emails can bridge the distance and provide emotional support. Remember, building social connections takes effort. Be proactive in reaching out to others, attending events, and nurturing relationships. The rewards of a vibrant social life are well worth the effort. Taming the household to-do list. Home maintenance strategies for seniors. Maintaining a home can become increasingly challenging with age. Everyday tasks that once seemed simple can now require more effort and energy. Tasks that were once effortless can feel daunting, leading to a backlog of chores and potential safety hazards. This can create a stressful environment, but there are ways to manage home maintenance effectively and maintain a safe and comfortable living environment. Prioritize essential tasks and break them down into manageable steps. Focus on tasks that directly impact your safety and well-being, such as keeping walkways clear, maintaining appliances, and ensuring adequate lighting. These small actions can make a big difference. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It's important to recognize your limits and seek assistance when needed. Reach out to family, friends, or neighbors for assistance with more strenuous tasks like yard work, heavy lifting, or repairs. Consider hiring help for more complex jobs. Professional services like house cleaning, lawn care, or handyman services can alleviate the burden of home maintenance and free up your time for more enjoyable activities. These services can be a worthwhile investment in your well-being. Downsizing to a smaller home or apartment can significantly reduce the demands of home maintenance. A smaller space is easier to manage and maintain. A smaller space means less cleaning, fewer repairs, and easier upkeep. This can lead to a more relaxed and enjoyable living experience. Remember, home maintenance should enhance your quality of life, not detract from it. It's about creating a space where you feel comfortable and safe. By prioritizing, delegating, and adapting, you can create a comfortable and manageable living space that allows you to enjoy your golden years. Embrace these strategies to make the most of your home. The comfort of rituals, daily routines as anchors in a sea of time. In the absence of the structured schedules that often define our younger years, retirement can sometimes feel like a vast, unstructured expanse of time. The days can blend together, making it hard to distinguish one from the next. This lack of structure can be liberating, offering freedom and flexibility, but it can also lead to a sense of drift or aimlessness, where the hours seem to stretch endlessly without clear direction. Establishing daily routines can provide a sense of purpose, stability, and comfort. These routines act as anchors, grounding us in the present and giving our days a meaningful structure. Start your day with a consistent routine. This could be as simple as making your bed, brushing your teeth, and getting dressed. Whether it's enjoying a cup of coffee while reading the newspaper, savoring a quiet moment of reflection, or taking a morning walk, a regular morning ritual can set a positive tone for the day. These small acts can make a big difference in how you feel. Incorporate activities you enjoy into your schedule. Whether it's gardening, reading, listening to music, or simply spending time with loved ones or pursuing a hobby, these activities provide structure and a sense of accomplishment. Maintain regular meal times to keep your day balanced. Even if you're only cooking for yourself, try to eat at consistent times to regulate your body clock and avoid mindless snacking. This helps in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Remember, routines are not about rigidity. They are flexible and can be adjusted to fit your needs and preferences. They're about creating a framework that supports your well-being and provides a sense of normalcy. This framework can be a source of comfort and stability. Experiment with different activities and schedules to find a rhythm that suits your lifestyle and preferences. Embrace the freedom to create a routine that brings joy and fulfillment to your days. Imagine if cooking could be more than just a daily task. What if it could become an adventure? You see, the kitchen is not just a place for chores, it's a playground for creativity. By exploring new recipes, experimenting with flavors, and embracing the process, cooking transforms into a delightful journey. So, next time you step into the kitchen, remember, it's not just about making a meal. It's about creating an experience. Living alone can sometimes feel overwhelming, but it also offers a unique opportunity for peace and introspection. In the quiet of your home, you can find solace and contentment. It's a chance to reconnect with yourself, to enjoy your own company, and to pursue hobbies that bring you joy. Embrace the solitude, and you'll discover that a quiet home can be a sanctuary of tranquility and personal growth. Staying active in later life is crucial for maintaining both physical and mental health. It's not just about exercise, it's about staying engaged with the world around you. Whether it's through social activities, hobbies, or volunteering, staying involved can bring a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Remember, age is just a number, and staying active can help you live life to the fullest. Retirement can be a significant transition, but maintaining a sense of structure and purpose is crucial. Finding new routines and activities can provide a sense of fulfillment. Whether it's volunteering, pursuing hobbies, or even part-time work, these activities help keep the mind and body active. Remember, it's about discovering what brings joy and meaning to this new phase of life. Decluttering can be an emotional journey, especially for seniors who may have accumulated a lifetime of memories. It's important to approach this process with sensitivity and understanding. Start small, perhaps with one room or a single category of items. Engage family members or friends for support and take your time. The goal is to create a more manageable and comfortable living space while honoring the past. Staying socially active is vital for seniors' mental and emotional health. Proactively seeking out social opportunities can make a big difference. This could include joining clubs, participating in community events, or even learning new technologies to stay connected with loved ones. Building and maintaining relationships helps combat loneliness and keeps the spirit vibrant. As we age, prioritizing well-being becomes increasingly important. This means regular health checkups, a balanced diet, and staying physically active. But it also involves mental and emotional care, like practicing mindfulness or engaging in activities that bring joy. Remember, well-being is holistic, encompassing body, mind, and spirit. Taking small, consistent steps can lead to a healthier, happier life in older age.